Woo, sha, sha, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got that beauty right. Yeah, don't give it that touch, don't give it that. Don't give it that feeling, don't make you feel lovely. Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
That beauty.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. Yes, this is Dig Beauty. Guys, I call this style good news Gele Headwrap. Good news. You know why I call this style good news? Because this style is stress free. No excuse. Nobody can tell me that she cannot achieve this style. This style is good news. Because there's no pleating at the front, there is no stress. Okay, this material I have here with me is ashoke. This style you can use any material, and the secret of this style, you divide it into 40-60. The shorter part is the 40. Yes, you take the 40, you now take it together with the 60. Guys, focus your eye on my hand. Now you place it on your head. If you have your hair, you can if you have your hair like my nice hair, you bring it out at the back. But if your hair is that rough, you cover it. Maybe I will make a video of how to cover back hair side with this style. Okay guys, this is the trick. This is the trick. Yes, the hour has come. Open your eye. Now I'm going to bring out my hand at, you see, bring out your hand out and grab the longer side, which is the 60. You see the way I'm going to do it now. Okay, let's go. You grab it, you grab it, use the other hand to push it, pull it out. Now we are pulling it out from there. All I need from you, just open your eye, auntie. This style is very easy. This style I uploaded this style before on my Facebook and my YouTube, but because of the sound, the music that was on the background, when I go to the comment section, almost everybody there that the music is too high. So that is the reason I just off the music, then I use my voice on top. Okay, now we are ready to create our rose. You know, we have different way we create rose, and we have different type of rose. Now you set up the back side. Make sure you feel it that is firm, is tight on your head. Yes guys, we are going to use this excess that I hold in my hand, the 60 that is coming from inside, from this side. We are going to make sure you tight it, you pull it up before you start creating your rose. Now you see the way I widen it. Now you just make sure you widen it. Please, all I need from you is just you focus, because if you do not focus, you cannot understand. Now we are taking everything to the back side. Yes, you see the way I'm creating the rose. By the time you get to the back side, now you start pulling it, pulling it. See the way I use my hands to protect it, the one that I already pulled. Then by the time you finish it, use your hand to protect there. Continue. Is very easy. You can do this style even when you are standing. You can do this style when you sit down. Very easy, auntie. Okay, take it all over again until the material finish. You continue to create your rose and fold it to the back. When you get to the end of the fabric, you now use one pin. Use pin to pin it there. Just use pin to pin it there. That is it, guys. It's very easy. You can do it. Any length. This material, I don't want to forget. This style, it's not required long length. If your ashoke, any material you are using is too long, you can't use it. So this style requires 70 length material that is not too long. Otherwise, this rows will create on top will give you some traffic. That is the final, guys. Now we are going to push it back gradually, carefully. Yes, thank you guys. This time I have it before on my YouTube. I decided to upload it again now without music, without sound. And my Facebook, I have it before. I deleted it before because of the other person's music. Now I have my music. Let's go. Let me put my music. This is the final. See you on my next video. Bye bye. This is what I call 3 minutes head wrap gele. 3 minutes, you are done. Yes. Bye bye. Let me put my music. Let's rock. Deck beauty. Carry me to go. Jehovah carry me to go. Deck beauty. Yes. Bye bye.
Jehovah carry me, they go.